Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TECHIES. My name is Anuj Rana, and today in this video I'm going to tell you that how can you use WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a very major communication application in today's era, and how it can be used that I'll tell you in this video. So first of all, please ensure that the WhatsApp should be downloaded in your Android phone. If you do not have that, you can open your Play Store. Just go on the search menu, type WhatsApp. This is the logo for the WhatsApp because it's already installed. I have my business WhatsApp already installed in my phone. You just need to install it if you are using it on the first time. And once you will open the application, on the first page you will see the chat option. This is the chat. These are all the chats that I have been doing over here for a long time. After that, it gives you the option for the status. Status means here you can update your status. That means you can upload the pictures, the videos, or you can also upload some kind of messages which will be shown over your status. Here are the status for the other people from my contact book. For every status you can tap and you can check it over there. Like this is one of my friend sending them pictures. So that is how you can also upload it. Now over here on the top you see my status. So this is how you can make a video, you can take a picture, because I don't want to upload any kind of a status right now. I'm working at this point of time, so I don't want to upload it, but yes, you can do that over your phone easily. Now after status, there's another option for the calls, which means you can call the people through WhatsApp from your WhatsApp. Now you can give them an audio call, you can make a video call. Now these are all the audio calls that I have done. If you'd like to call any of the person, maybe this is the history of the people whom I called earlier. So like that, if you have any kind of history, you can directly call the people from them, or else you need to come to the chat option. Now over here, you can select the people whom you want to call. Like, let me check it out for you. There you go. You just need to select that person whom you want to call. Now if you want to give an audio call, you see a telephone type of icon over here, which is on the right side on the top. You just need to tap on this option. Once you will tap, your call will go through, and when you will be connected to that person, you can talk to him like a normal audio call. The other option, you see a camera sort of icon over here. This is for the video calling. Now when you tap on that, the call will go automatically and WhatsApp will activate your camera, and just like that, the camera of the other person, the receiver on the other end, that will also be activated, and then you can have a face-to-face conversation with that person. So that is also one of the feature of WhatsApp. You can also create groups, which means over your contacts, you have people in your contacts, you can make a group with your friends. How can you do that? I'll show you. You see the three dots on the top right side corner, just tap on this. Now tap on the third option, new group. Now it will open contacts in your phone book. You have to give the access to the WhatsApp so that it can use all your contacts to create a group. Now over here, whichever friend you would like to put it in the group, you can select those people. You can select multiple people. Like I'll just give you an example. Let me check over here. Let me select this friend. It is selected. Let's move forward. Now it's a new group. It will try group subject here. Now I need to select OK. Now it's creating group. The name of my group is friendship, and the other person, my friend Rahul, has been, see, it's showing me the participants of the group. It's me and my friend. However, I can also add multiple people in this group. There are only two people. This is just for the purpose of demonstration I'm giving you. Now if you want to add more people in this group, you need to tap on these three buttons over here, the three dots, and it will ask you for the group information. The first icon, tap on that. It will say add. That means you can again go to the contacts. Now from here you can only select those people. Whatever the people you will select, those people will become the participants in this group. They will have the access in this group. In this group, they can send pictures, you can send videos, you can share all the videos, pictures, messages, and all these kind of stuff over here. However, just like that, the WhatsApp can be used for the business purpose also. Like if you have your customer database. Now if you have the list of all your customers. You can bring those people on the WhatsApp, you can make a group with them, and you can show them your products, your services, or any kind of promotional activity of your business that you're doing. You can definitely share those activities with them. So that is how the WhatsApp can also be used for the business purposes. And a lot of people are doing like that. So that is all for today's videos, guys. If this video was helpful for you, just let us know in the comment box. However, if you need any other assistance for any other social media platform related, if you're facing any kind of technical issues, let us know in the comment box. I'll go and I'll try to make videos on that so that you get the better resolutions. All right. So guys, stay in touch with us. Have a nice day. Goodbye.